Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select the orange color to back color red, select the 3D shape, the path 10, extrusion, select the stroke, select the color green, select another shape, select the 3D shape, then select the text edit, size the shape, to back the shape, then select the another shape, select the perspective, adjust the color, to back the color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.